In this video, I'm taking existing 2D characters and turn them into more realistic and 3D version in Adobe Photoshop. Curious what that looks like? Stick around and find out the character I'm covering today. The idea is to make them more shaded and stylized while keeping the original shape. And today's character is Diamond Head from Ben 10 cartoon. Let's hop right into it.
Diamond Head.
First, I'm going to trace the shapes of some of his body parts, and I'm going to start with the arms and head. I have a bunch of these exact crystals that I'm going to use to make this parts. Now it's time for the kind of suit that he wears. And yet once again, I'm going to trace the shape of it. And here comes the best part. Blending this all together with some edges smoothing, adding shadows and highlights, and the final touches. And yeah, that's it for the character. Now let's head into the background to make the character pop out more.
Chicken and macaroni, chilling with my